Welcome to the new tutorial. First, prepare a smooth pearl of number 8. For millimeters imported rhinestone claw, use this shiny number to space or bead. Use a lobster button or a magnetic button. Take a 0.3 millimeters steel wire to a suitable length, then insert the pressure crimp bead and fix it with pliers. Add one pearl on the side. Insert one claw, one spacer bead. Use 3 claws. Then take a bead to cross it. 2 wires, pull it tight and fix it. Pay attention to the details. The pearl is on the bottom. Insert the upper wire into the hole on the bottom side of the claw. This bracelet pearl is interlaced left and right. Repeat the steps to the appropriate length. Pull it tight and fix it. Wear it to the appropriate length and you can finish it. Compare the two. Do you like gold or silver? If you don't understand, let's do it again. Insert a pearl on the bottom wire. Insert the upper wire into the hole on the bottom side of the claw. Then insert 2 beads and fix it. Insert it into the hole on the top side of the claw. Then insert a lobster and a chain. Pull it tight and fix it. That's it. Take a charm to add in the end. Insert it into the hole on the top side of the claw. Personally, I like to wear it with a magnetic buckle. It's more convenient. I hope you liked today's video. See you in the next tutorial. Take care.